guys.
Hello.
We are here at our campsite right now in
48 Mile Pond.
Yeah, close to the Chena Hot Springs.
Yeah, about 8 miles from it.
So in this video coming up, you're going to see some highlights of our drive from Chicken.
Yep.
That's where we ended the last video, was in Chicken,
Alaska. Yep.
Yep. And so this is going to be highlights of our drive down the Taylor Highway. First look at the Alaska Range.
Yeah, very pretty.
Impressive.
Don't want to miss that. And then we'll be going from there down to Toke, out to Delta Junction, where we completed the Alaska Highway, and then on up to Fairbanks.
Yep.
So come along, and hope you enjoy it.
Yep. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed that, and as much as we did.
It was fun.
Yeah. So we are, like I said, sitting here at this beautiful campsite. It's called 48 Mile Pond. We are camped between two beautiful ponds. We're literally right in between them, and it's a beautiful area. I'll post some video of it. But yesterday when we got back from the hot springs, we had people waving us down when we pulled in and said, "There's a big moose back there," and it was back here by our camper. And ended up going in the pond, and he was swimming around and playing. He was out there for 3.5 hours.
Yep.
And then we were sitting here in our canopy and looked up, and there he is swimming across the pond, which there's a big pond behind the camera. You can't see it right now, but we're facing the pond. Beautiful. So he was out there swimming around. We've had, what, otters and ducks, and
Yep.
This has been a beautiful spot. Beautiful.
And it's free.
And it's free. Dry, of course. It's just a little campsite.
Yep.
What is there, about 5 sites?
Actually, I walked back, me and Jesse did the other day, and I think you could get 7 or 8 in here.
Yeah.
You know, there's a couple of sites you can probably double up.
Yeah.
You know, so.
The weather's been great. When we got here the first night, it rained, which was fine because we needed a chill out night. We just sat in the camper and had some pizza and watched some YouTube.
Yeah.
So that was kind of nice. And then yesterday we've had beautiful weather. It was nice and warm, and then we had a little bit of rain this morning, but
not just a drizzle.
Yeah.
Not
Temperatures have been perfect.
Yep.
About 72. Beautiful.
Yeah, not getting too cold. Earlier in the trip, it was getting down in the 30s at night, and it seems like it's been getting down into
about 50s.
About 50.
Yeah,
50.
Hasn't been too cold.
No, it's been actually good sleeping weather.
Yeah, we've been leaving the windows open in the bedroom, so.
Yeah. We have, before we came out here, we did all the free water situation. We filled up, we dumped tanks, refilled tanks, got gas, got everything we need to go. And
there is plenty of free dump and water fills all over.
Yeah.
Just get on Campendium or whatever app you use, and they're all over.
Yeah, we have been off grid since our last night that we had power was June the 4th, and today is June the
24th.
24th. Yeah, so 20 days basically.
Today is our grandson's 7th birthday, so happy birthday, Cole.
We love you.
We love you and miss you, buddy.
But we have, it's just unbelievable how many places that you can camp up here for free. I mean, we have had some of the prettiest sites. Just find pull-offs, and you know, it's awesome. It is beyond belief.
And we've either had like almost a waterfront site every time, or and we've seen wildlife. Like one spot we were pulled off at a rest area over water, and there was 2 beautiful swans out there. We could hear them, and you could see them. They were off in the distance, but I got some good pictures of them. Yeah. And then, like I said, here we had the moose, and it's amazing everywhere we've went. I mean, one spot we did stay in the center, the event center parking lot. But,
Oh yeah, but that was because we saw the midnight
yeah, the midnight sun game, which you
baseball
seen,
game, and it wasn't over till after 1 in the morning. So
we just stayed there in the parking lot.
we just got up in the morning and got our stuff done and head on out here. So it is one thing I do want to say is get one of these.
Yes.
Get one of these.
Of course, our dog hates it, but
my backhand and my forehand has gotten really good, so I might pick up tennis after this.
Yeah, but those things are great. Everybody has one up here, and I bought that for him for Father's Day a few years ago. And
we really never used it until this trip.
The bugs are severely bad. I mean, the mosquitoes are horrible. But when we got here at this site, there was probably literally thousands of mosquitoes just swarming us. We got out 2 thermocells. We hang one right by the door to the camper, and we put one out here, and gone.
Yeah, they work good too.
They work wonderful.
They work good.
And then we have a couple of tiki torches we light at night, but the thermocells, you can't beat it. I mean, they are wonderful.
They clear a big area.
Yes,
they do.
Big area.
They do.
So,
we're
gonna wrap. Oh.
Well, from here, we're debating whether to stay another night. But from here, we're gonna take off and head down toward the anchorage, which will be going by Denali and stuff like that. And we're excited. Here in 6-7 days, our son and daughter-in-law gets to come up and
they're flying into Anchorage, so we're going to go down and pick them up.
So that's going to be fun. It should be exciting for everybody, and
we're going to do some fun things with them. They'll be here for a week, and we got a lot of stuff planned in that week with them.
Yep. So it should be good.
Yeah.
Ready to wrap this one up?
Yep. So we're going to wrap this one up here, and
just remember, life's a blessing.
So enjoy the journey.
Bye.